All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Time to bring you some more iPhone 17 Pro content. So we're going to be trying on the new Pitaka. Pitaka has a lot of cases, and I've got more to come. In this video, I'm going to be showing you this version right here that I showed you on my iPhone 17, iPhone Air that I actually am recording with. So we're going to go ahead and try this on. This is like their holiday season, these limited ones that they brought out. Really cool cases. And we're just going to try this on here. Again, this is the teal looking color. This is actually beautiful, man. The difference between this one, like I said in some of the other cases, is this one's covered right here. And on the Air, it is not covered because of how thin the Air is. And there's also some other cases that I've shown before where this is not covered as well. But I like this cover design. If I'm going to wear an ultra thin case, I want it covered up as much as possible. And that's just been my only thing. So this is MagSafe compatible, obviously. Strong magnet as they always have. They've always done a very strong magnet. It's nothing that you have not seen before, but this is the case interior here. You know, like if you ever want to know what color it was, they actually have it inside of the case right there. Glints of gold. Let's grab our iPhone 17 Pro and we'll put it in. I always go with the power button side first. We'll drop it down in there like so. And it fits right in. I do have a screen protector for this area right here, but I'm wearing another case and so I don't want to keep taking it on and off. But yeah, man, shoot, this is the way it looks. This color looks really good with the silver, by the way. I just think this color is really sleek and really nice with the silver. And I like, again, that it comes up around all the edges and it's just exposed here on the power button, the volume rocker and action key, and then, you know, it's exposed down here on the bottom where it needs to be exposed. But this is nice. All the functionality is here. If I press this button, you can see it goes straight to the camera. Let's test the sensitivity because I have it set to, yep, it works. There we go. So yeah, you can adjust it and slide it the way I have it set. And you don't have to have that as a setting in your camera, but that's the way I have it set. And there it is, man. This is a very sleek and very sexy looking case. This color with the silver really does it. And here's the MagSafe once again, if you're wondering. So this will work with all your battery chargers and things like that. It'll work with all of those. So Pitaka definitely has put in some time and they put in some work. And they have earned this spot right here that they are in. Ultra thin cases are big for them. And this case isn't just an ultra thin case. It has a texture to it, which is what ultra thin cases need. If there's one thing I don't like anymore, it's an ultra thin case with no feel to it, no texture. Yeah, I don't like that. It used to be good back in the day, but for the pricing of these cases, you got to give us something. And Pitaka has come through once again. Again, remember, I've already shown you this on my iPhone Air, but I'm recording with my iPhone Air at the time. So I want to show you this for the 17 Pro. And look at that lip there. See the lip on there, that's really good, very strong. So these cases also work with just regular wireless charging as well. So it's your man Jay, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay locked. Take care.